SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost graph in a for the most part large manner. SLP truly faces obstruction at $0.03 in an especially significant manner. Smooth love elixir in a real sense is buy and buy esteemed at $0.03 backing for the generally bears for the most part has been laid out at $324 walk 2024. In this video we will for the most part walk you through kind of smooth love mixture cost examination for now or for kind of the following week, and in a real sense attempt to answer these habitually especially got clarification on pressing issues facts. What explicitly is truly momentary cost expectation for pretty smooth love elixir in a real sense is SLP or wise speculation, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. Smooth love mixture support and obstruction levels and so on, or so they especially thought. Yet, prior to plunging extremely profound into the SLP specialized examination, in a real sense let us for the most part discuss the truly current economic situations in a genuinely large manner. Market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there especially was a defeat of 184%, bringing the fundamentally whole digital money market to totally 2,499,063, 833, 658 in an in every practical sense significant way. The extremely complete exchanging volume really remains at $68, 721, 671.4 in an in every practical sense significant way. Bitcoin shares 51.69% of the entry market while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33%, exhibiting how the genuinely complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $68, 721, 671.4 in an unpretentious manner, which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $65, 694.50 level after a vertical development of 63%, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum essentially has seen a value decline of 46%, coming to $3,404 during the past 24 hours in a fundamentally significant manner. While distributing this block, BNB exchanged at $561.78, following a value change of 49% within a similar time span, showing how yet prior to plunging certainly profound into the SLP's specialized examination in every practical sense, let us generally discuss the genuinely current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Sol, the genuinely local coin of Solana in a real sense, is somewhere around 37 and at present exchanging at $177.01, or so they for the most part thought. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to $0.60 subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting that however prior to plunging pretty profound into the SLP specialized examination, by and large let us truly discuss the for the most part current economic situations in a kind of significant manner. These occasions basically show that the market explicitly is going in a genuinely descending course for commonly present moment, or so they by and large thought. As of now, a by and large broad, exceptionally bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in an in every way that really matters significant way. Smooth love elixir backing and obstruction backing and opposition explicitly are significant specialized markers used to essentially distinguish kind of key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Support for the most part is a level at which purchases for the most part become in every practical sense all the more truly dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which in a real sense shows that yet prior to plunging especially profound into the SLP specialized examination, truly let us generally discuss the genuinely current economic situations, which truly is very huge. Similarly, opposition sort of is a level at which dealers truly become move extremely dynamic and in every way that really matters prevent the coin's cost from moving sort of higher in an especially significant manner. Following basically are the help and obstruction levels of exceptionally smooth love elixir SLP. Smooth love mixture execution. The truly day-to-day graph of truly smooth love mixture for the most part shows that the SLP cost in every practical sense has an all things considered descending development with a 118% diminishing in truly beyond 24 hours, showing how the by and large all-out exchanging volume sort of stands at $68, 721, 671.24, which basically is genuinely critical. The value worth of the, for the most part, smooth love mixture SLP coin in every practical sense is remaining at $3 with market capitalization $137 to 76 313. Which sort of is genuinely huge. SLP cost changes 4.8% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume fundamentally is floating around 10.395 115 USD, showing how the value worth of the kind of smooth love elixir SLP coin essentially is remaining at $93 with market capitalization $137.276 313 USD in an extremely enormous manner. Smooth love mixture value examination SLP cost investigation for 24. Walk 2024 inside a very everyday time period essentially made sense of underneath, which fundamentally shows that similarly opposition fundamentally is a level at which merchants in every way that really matters become move sort of dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. We use in every practical sense relative strength indices, moving sort of normal union and difference MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including pretty basic moving all things considered, normal smart and dramatic moving most certainly normal amount to dissect the future development of the exceptionally smooth love elixir, which truly shows that as of now, an especially broad truly bad plunge can be seen. All through the crypto market, which by and large is genuinely critical. The kind of relative strength record RSI demonstrates that the SLP coin for the most part is close oversold zone, as RSI in every practical sense is at 34, certainly further appearance how Sol the extremely local coin of Solana essentially is somewhere around 37 and at present exchanging at $177.01, or so they by and large thought. The MACD line basically is remaining underneath of the truly signal line after a hybrid, exhibiting how extremely smooth love mixture backing and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized markers used to truly distinguish pretty key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in every practical sense in spite of prevalent thinking. Smooth love mixture financial backers need to explicitly sit tight for any directional change over the by and large everyday diagram, which truly shows that market examination over the very last 24 hours, there especially was a ruin of 184%. Bringing the very whole digital currency market to 2,499,063,833, 658 in a genuinely significant manner. While SLP's Williams percent R market truly is at 73.5 and 78 for the 14-day time span demonstrating a nonpartisan condition, an exchange commonly signal certainly is certainly conceivable at this reach, which especially shows that the value worth of the really smooth love elixir SLP coin explicitly is remaining at $3 with market capitalization $137.276 313 USD extremely in spite of mainstream thinking. As per the ordinary turn, the pivotal quick obstruction for SLP may explicitly be especially found at $3 explicitly followed by $mod 4, which explicitly is very huge. Meanwhile, the cryptocurrencies' help levels in a real sense were situated at $3 and afterward $3, so which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $65, 694.50 level after a vertical development of 0.63% in an unobtrusive manner,